Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how I created this cute neutral centerpiece that's great for any occasion. I think it's cute. It'll be great to display in your home or for an event. If you want to see how I created it, use all Dollar Tree items. Go ahead and keep watching. Okay, the items that I'm going to use for this DIY is a cute little glass I picked up from the Dollar Tree, and I went ahead and glued it to this floral foam, and I may use my hot glue gun. And you know my channel is budget friendly, so I will be utilizing some florals I already had from another project, so I'll use these for now. And just put the florals in at an angle. That way it gives you the fullness you need, opposed to just pressing them in straight down at a 90-degree angle. So I go at a 45-degree angle on the corners to give it that fullness. So this video is a collaboration video with the beautiful Lacee over at Lacee Space. She also does the Dollar Tree DIYs. She is the Dollar Tree DIY queen. Let me just tell you, her DIYs are very well put together and high end. She is an inspiration to me here on this platform. She motivates me to keep going and to think outside the box. Now, her DIYs are not going to be your typical DIYs that you see around the YouTubes. Hers are very unique, and that you can tell that they're well thought out. So Lacee, thank you so much for collaborating with me on this Dollar Tree DIY project. Guys, go over and show her some love. Let her know Mrs Vee sent you, and I'm sure you will subscribe once you get there, because her content is very well put together, and I'm sure you will get some inspiration. So I have a link to her channel in the description box. And so as you can see, I end up using some hydrangeas that I had purchased last week, and I'm filling in all the gaps with the hydrangeas. And just make sure you cover up the base of the glassware when you're creating this centerpiece. So now I'm using the, I can't pronounce that word, narcissus flowers. So I had to use some tweezers to puncture a hole in the floral foam, because as you saw, I kept the plastic on the floral foam. That's a little trick I picked up from someone here on YouTube. That way you don't have all that, it don't make a mess when you're handling the foam form. So this centerpiece will be great for any occasion. Really, you can use it in your home. You can use it for an event. So I'm going to start a series of wedding centerpiece series, and this is my first one. So I found these beaded picks at the Dollar Tree. They're made out of foam, but I just thought it was cute to add them to the top of the centerpiece, just to give it a little more texture. So I really like the way this turned out. It's nice neutral palette. And this is another idea. I have it displayed here in my kitchen. So this is it. That's gonna conclude this video. If you're coming over from Lacee's channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I am Miss V. My channel says it all, Saving with Miss V. I share content centered around saving money, whether it be saving on groceries by using your Fetch rewards or doing a DIY for home decor for a fraction of the cost. So you're welcome here if you're interested in saving money. And I'm also documenting my debt-free journey here on this channel and my healthier journey also. So if that's something you're interested in, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button. And as always, this is Miss V. I'm going to continue to show you love, and I'm going to always help you save on some of the things you need so you can get some of the things you want. Thank you, and have a nice day.